Hello everybody. Anyway, I just want to show you a few of the things that I got in my pre-order, my Stampin' Up! Pre-order for the 2010 Occasions Mini and the Celebration Catalog. I am so excited about this stuff. It is so cool. Anyway, I made this little card up. I hope you can see it okay. It's already posted up on my blog, and I used the little Love Bandit stamp and stamped them all out, and the new little brads. Look at these brads. I love polka dots, and I just adore these brads. And then I've got it on the little embosslet, the scalloped heart of hearts embosslet. So I'm going to show you a couple things here. I'm going to set this little guy aside. The stamps come like this. This is really cool. Look at this. This is like a cassette or DVD box. It's got all the stamps on the outside here, shows you the stamps. It's indexed here, so of course if you have to store it this way and look down on it, you can see, you know, your stamps that are in there. And these are really cool, and I'll show you. They come like this. And they have the little labels that, of course, are going to go on the back here, so when you place it onto your acrylic block, you can actually see the image that you're stamping through the acrylic. So these are very, very cool, and they're already pre-punched for you. They just pop right out, so no muss, no fuss. You don't need scissors or anything. So these are just really, really, really super cool. You're going to love them. I adore them. I got that one. That one was Tiny Tags. This is another one. This is Vintage Vogue. Another really, really, really cool set. And I got Love Bandit, which is what I made my little card out of that I showed you. That's up on my blog. And as you can see, you can even see them. If you turn your box over, once you've got the labels on them, you can see them from the back of the box too. How cool is that? This is going to just totally change the way you can store your equipment. It is just so great. Let's see. I got the stitched felt sweet pea flowers. These are so cute. I can't wait to try these. Just adorable. And of course I had to get the little chocolate bunny stamp. He is just too cool. I mean, what's Easter without a chocolate bunny, right? So I got the chocolate bunny stamp. I got, now this I ordered mainly to just show all my girls and my club girls and customers and stuff. But I was really impressed with this. This is the Onboard Bird Book. Now look at the size of this. I mean, this is really big. It is about, gosh, almost 9 inches long. I mean, look at this. And it's great. It comes with a really big ball chain, and you can just decorate this and cover it with papers and make a photo album out of it. This is going to be really cool. And it also comes in scallop and heart shapes as well. So these are really, really super cool. And I got the Big Shots milk carton die, the mini milk carton die. I can't wait to try this. This is for the Big Shot machine, and oh, this is going to be so cute, and I can imagine all the things I'm going to do with it. I'll do it up for Easter, do it up for Valentine's Day. It's going to be really, really cute. So that's that. Now this I already used. This is the embosslet scalloped heart of hearts, and as you can see, this opens. You place your paper in here, your square of paper, you close it, you run it through your Big Shot machine, and it scallops out a little heart, little scalloped heart, like I have here on the top of my card right here. Isn't that too cute? I love it. And it also, Stampin' Up! Is also putting out one that does little butterflies too, that it'll actually cut the butterfly out, plus emboss it too. And I don't have that one yet, but I'm planning on it. But that's just, oh, I just love them. These little guys are so great, and if you don't have a die cutting system, consider the Big Shot. It's a wonderful machine, and Stampin' Up's got all kinds of new stuff out for it. And here's some of the punches that I got. I got the corner punches, the scallop corner, the little heart border corner. Here's the border corner that matches the little scallop heart corner. And these are great, and they unlock. You just slide this little lock here, like this, and they unlock. So when you go to store them, let me show you this. You can now lay them up to store them just like this. How great is this? Here's another one too. And they just store, just compact like this. It's no more trying to, you know, find a place to put your punches. They just store all nice and compact, just like this in a little group. It's great. I love it. Anyway, that's just kind of a little sneak peek at some of the new stuff that's coming out in January. That'll be the Celebrations catalog and also the Occasions mini catalog, and that'll be January 5th. If you need any more information, you can check out my blog, and all my information will be up there for you. I hope you enjoy this, and I will hopefully be able to come back with another video soon on more new goodies as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.